Wealth isn't an accident. Wealth is a plan, backed by discipline, belief, action, and an unshakable inner fire. This is not just a summary. It's a guided transformation manifesto. Imagine this as your audio mentor, your wealth companion, your wake-up call. In these chapters, you will learn how to rewire your mind, upgrade your habits, and design a life that attracts wealth, not by luck, but by strategy. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let this journey begin. Chapter 1. Wealth begins in the mind. Every great creation in the world first existed in the quiet space of someone's imagination. Rich people think differently. They don't see limits, they see possibilities. Whether you think you can or think you can't, you are right. Henry Ford. Great wealth starts from a great mind. Rich mindset. How can I make it happen? Poor mindset. I don't think it's possible. Let's meet two people born in similar circumstances. Person A. Person B. Dreams of success, but doubts themselves. Dreams and believes. Says I wish. Says I will. Sees risks. Sees opportunities. Waits for luck. Creates their own luck. Which one wins? Always the believer. Real example, J.K. Rowling. Before Harry Potter, Rowling was broke, rejected by 12 publishers, living off government support. Most people would quit. She didn't. She believed in her story before the world believed in her. Now, billionaire author. Global icon. Lesson: wealth begins with one thing, belief. Chapter 2. Declare your vision. You cannot hit a target you cannot see. Write your vision. Say it aloud daily. Visualize it like a movie playing in your mind. If your dreams don't scare you, they're too small. Exercise. Speak your vision like this. I am becoming wealthy. I am building multiple income streams. I am financially free. Speak it like you already are that person. Chapter 3. Rewrite your inner script. Money responds to self-worth. Many people are capable, but their inner voice whispers, "You don't deserve wealth." Stop waiting for approval. Give yourself permission to rise. Repeat inside your mind, "I am worthy of wealth, abundance, and success." The greatest war you will ever fight is the war inside your mind. Win it, and you win everything. Chapter 4. Decide to grow rich every single day. The rich don't get rich by one big action. They get rich through small, consistent choices. You don't become wealthy in a moment. You become wealthy habit by habit. Ask yourself every day, what did I learn today? What did I build today? What did I save or invest today? What did I do to improve myself today? Growth is not luck. Growth is a decision. Chapter 5. The power of obsession. Every millionaire has one trait in common: obsession. Not with money, but with excellence, mastery, and contribution. Think about Cristiano Ronaldo. He wasn't born the best. He trained to become the best. When teammates partied, he practiced. When others slept, he trained. When he won, he wanted to win again. Success leaves clues. Obsessed beats talented every time. Find something worth getting obsessed about. Then go all in. Chapter 6. Break the chains of average. Average is comfortable. Average feels safe. Average is easy. But average never built empires. You are not here to be ordinary. You are here to build, create, transform, and inspire. You are here to grow rich. Not just in bank balance, but in discipline, character, and contribution. Comfort kills ambition. Leave average behind. The world needs your excellence. Chapter 7. Money flows where skill grows. Money follows value. Improve your skills, and wealth will chase you. Ask yourself, am I learning a high-value skill? Am I growing faster than yesterday? Am I investing in myself? Examples of high-value skills: digital marketing, communication and storytelling, investing, coding, AI data, leadership and management, sales and negotiation, content creation, public speaking. A degree helps you get a job. A skill helps you build a life. Chapter 8. The Power of Taking Action. Most people dream. Few people do. Dreams are beautiful, but action builds destiny. The world rewards people who take action, not people who wait. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Ask yourself, what is one thing I can do today that my future self will thank me for? Do that. Daily. Non-negotiable. Chapter 9. Build your wealth engine. There are only 3 ways people remain poor. 1 income. No investing. High expenses and no control. Rich people do the opposite. Wealth rule. Meaning, build multiple income streams. Not just job, business, skills, side hustles. Save and invest. Money makes money. Spend smart. Lifestyle follows income, not grows faster than it. Every month. Earn, save, invest, spend. Not the other way around. Chapter 10. Invest early. Invest always. Saving protects. Investing multiplies. You don't need to be rich to invest. You become rich because you invest. Invest time in learning money. Invest money in assets. Stocks. Index funds. Real estate. Businesses. Skills. Don't fear investing. Fear not investing. Chapter 11. The Discipline Formula. Discipline motivation. Motivation is a spark. Discipline is the fire. Wake early. Work when others rest. Do the hard things first. Wealth loves discipline. Chapter 12. Your circle shapes your future. If you surround yourself with complainers, doubters, quitters, gossipers, time wasters, you will become one too. Find those who dream big, work hard, encourage growth, think wealth, speak possibility. You don't need more friends. You need a success tribe. Chapter 13. Fail forward. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of success. Every millionaire fell. Every billionaire broke something first. Bank, idea, ego. Thomas Edison failed 10,000 times before inventing the bulb. Failure is feedback. Failure is refinement. Stand up. Correct course. Move again. Chapter 14. Protect your energy. Wealth isn't just money. It is also calm, clarity, and confidence. Stay away from negative talk, doubt, drama, news addiction, social media comparison. Protect your mind like a sacred palace. Guard it. Feed it good thoughts, books, audio, mentors. Chapter 15. Gratitude plus ambition equals magic. Gratitude without ambition equals stagnation. Ambition without gratitude equals misery. Combine both. Say thank you for the present, while working fiercely for the future. I am grateful, and I am growing. Chapter 16. Serve and prosper. You grow rich by helping others live richer lives. Serve. Solve problems. Add value. Money is a reward for value delivered. Instead of asking, how can I make more money? Ask, how can I help more people? Money will follow like a loyal friend. Final chapter. Become the future you. Imagine 5 years from now. You wake up energized. You live in abundance. You are financially secure. You feel powerful. You are respected, fulfilled, growing, shining. This is not a fantasy. This is a decision. Repeat after me. Today, I begin my plan to grow rich. I choose belief. I choose discipline. I choose action. I choose wealth. I choose greatness. I will not stop until I rise. Your future is waiting. Walk toward it boldly. Your daily wealth plan. Morning. 10 minutes mindset reset. 10 minutes reading. 30 minutes skill building. Day. Build and execute income tasks. Learn something new. Practice discipline. Night. Review progress. Plan tomorrow. Appreciate your growth. Follow this, and wealth becomes a lifestyle, not a dream. Lastly, this was not just a summary. This was a transformation script. Listen again. Write these principles. Repeat these affirmations. Live this philosophy. The world has rich people, but it also has rich souls. Be both. Your time has come. Your wealth era begins now.